Welcome back, America. Welcome to the grilling session with your host, Nicholas Capaul. Sorry, I sounded like Ben for a second there. And with me is Jake.
Thank you.
Don't touch me. It's Corona. All right, so I've done my normal research. I went online. Went back. I think I went back to 2006 with you. Can you think back that far?
I know I graduated that year. That's about as far as I got.
So we're starting out with the winter right away.
Oh,
you ready for this?
Yeah, let's hear it.
So on March 1st of 2009,
March 1st,
you wrote, that day. Is going to Michelle's house. Yeah, your wife. Cool. And then to White's meeting.
Okay, so...
So, are you in the KKK or the baby took me away?
The baby took me away, but it's a campground. Okay.
So I'm really confused at this picture because how can you wear a Ramon shirt with a UFC hat? So you're a punk and a bro? Punk bro? Yeah, moving on. I did like this picture though. This was a good picture. I don't know who took it. Probably your wife. The only good thing about your family.
What about my daughter?
Maybe your daughter too. Okay. I don't really know your daughter. Alright, so it's you and your daughter.
Yeah.
You're just going to wait for, I was going to say your daughter is the best part of your family.
Oh, well, you made it sound like
and
my
your
wife's.
Your wife is pretty
awesome.
cool.
Yeah,
but I don't know. I just like this picture, guys. Anyways, moving on. So, November 1st of 2011. So let's skip back 2 years, right? No Shave November is just a taunt for guys like me who can't grow a beard like a man.
It's true.
So are you admitting that you're not a man?
Yes, 100%.
What are you?
I am unclassified.
Let's talk about the beard he can grow, guys.
Oh, fuck.
Yikes. Yikes. America.
I love that picture. That's why
I love the picture, but I'm very terrified for that little girl in the picture. Don't let him touch you. Moving on. Let's talk about this picture. I like the guy. He looks good. But what about this other creep?
This is my brother's wedding. I was the best man in that wedding. That was a fun day.
Definitely not the best man in that picture. Moving on. I like the way this photo is done because it really amplifies your blue eyes. But if you can see your bow tie through your beard, get rid of it. On November 20th of 2009, you wrote, I'll point that straight at the sky and shoot heaven down
for you.
Sublime.
To you. Whatever. Sublime, yeah.
To you. Do you remember what you wrote? Anyways. It'll be on this camera. Whatever.
It's sublime.
I'm a Christian gentleman, right? So I don't like that tone. I also don't like one of your Halloweens.
The Pumpkin Hook Show.
Was that a Pumpkin Hook show?
Yeah, that was a Pumpkin Hook Show.
Oh, you know what's funny? I was just listening to Pumpkin Hook.
Did you like it?
Well, it was Capaul's version of it. It was really good. Probably because you weren't playing guitar. Thank you, America, for coming on to Capaul's Corner. I love you. I'll see you soon.
I hate this segment. Get me out of this thing. Ow.
Oh, you still got the glove on.
Yeah.
Smell the glove.